Good morning, drone world, and welcome to the Mavic 3 launch special. So last Friday marked a day that drone enthusiasts across the world have been waiting years for. DJI finally launched their newest edition of the Mavic series over 3 years after its predecessor, and it did not disappoint. So today we're going to be running through some of the key features of the Mavic 3 and what makes it one of the most groundbreaking drones of the last decade. The Mavic 3 boasts some serious flight upgrades from previous Mavic drones, most notably the 46-minute flight time and 30 kilometers flight range potential. This means you now have an extended time to frame up your shots and create cinematic sequences. It is worth noting, however, that the drone is currently restricted to 15 kilometers due to the controller, but potential is there for future innovations. Going hand in hand with this is a new APAS 5.0 omnidirectional collision avoidance. This enables the drone to sense and avoid objects while moving sideways, backwards or forwards, giving operators a large variety of shots that they can record in built-up and complex environments. But this is only the beginning. The camera, or should I say cameras, have received a full overhaul. The Mavic 3 has been kitted out with a 20 megapixel Hasselblad camera with a 4/3 sensor, giving it the largest sensor of any consumer drone on the market right now. This is going to provide unrivaled dynamic range and a better low light performance for those cinematic dusk shots. It's able to record up to 5.1K video at 50 frames per second, giving you unbelievable flexibility for resizing and reframing images in post-production and a greater depth of field. You'll also be able to capture 4K video at 120 frames per second, helping your cinematic masterpieces really come to life. But if you're not a video editor or you're just getting started, then don't worry. The Hasselblad natural color solution means that you'll be able to capture unbelievably rich and accurate colors coming straight from the camera. For the first time, DJI has also added the ability for the Mavic series to be able to change lenses on the drone. Initially releasing a 15.5mm lens, this will make a world of difference for photographers and videographers by allowing 108 degrees of FOV. Tired of running out of space on your memory card and having to fly it back to change? Well, the Cine version for the Mavic 3, this is no longer a problem. This premium model will have 1 terabyte of SSD storage on board the drone, meaning you can fly freely without the worry that you'll run out of storage space. And it's not only the drone that has all these new features. DJI have released a new RC Pro controller, which while looking similar to the smart controller of old, now has some really cool upgrades. It has an even brighter display showing up to 1000 nits of light, giving you a crisp, clear and comfortable flying experience. The new Zero 3 Plus video transmission provides a stronger signal between the drone and controller, helping it stay connected through built-up areas. The DJI have also upgraded the thumbsticks on the controller to make operations smoother and more precise. And that's it, that's our first look at the brand new DJI Mavic 3. If you have any questions, be sure to get in touch. Our links will be in the description. And as always, tune in next week to hear more on all things drone.